Hi, this video is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery on a black African American man who's flown all the way from New Mexico. And basically he's a class 5-6 hair loss pattern balling from the front to the back. As you know, each class you're going to need at least 1,000 or more to have perfect coverage. But the fact that with African American men, when we sometimes the max I can do is 4,500 per day. But that doesn't mean a year later you cannot do some more. So the goal is always to do at least 2,500 in the front part, and that's the most density. We try and focus at least 2,500 or more. If we can get 3,000, that's fine. And after that, we just scatter to the back. So the front half, you're going to have perfect coverage, and when people look at you, you're going to see have full set of hair. As you know, I'm one of the very few surgeons in the United States who specialize in the art of restoring black curly hair, whether for men and for women. Hair transplant is not just the surgical skill of the surgeon. It requires a lot of the artistic and aesthetic detail. The surgical skill will determine the density. The artistic and aesthetic detail will determine how natural and your hairline will be. And I work with a lot of advanced hair loss cases like this, and you can have fantastic results. The more advanced hair loss cases, the more you're going to need more than one surgery to have perfect coverage. That's the reality, unfortunately. I wish I can do 6,000, 8,000 all in one day, but it's very difficult to do, and just we cannot physically harvest that much per day. But if you're patient with me, I can get you there. From the mid-eyebrow to the hairline for a black man is around 6.5 to 7 centimeters. Most black men have a straight across hairline or slightly arch up. The Caucasian man has more of the arch back. And then once you get the shape down, you bring out the perpendicular temple. And so I'm glad this client allowed me to film him. And a year later, we're going to see there's a quite big difference in his life and changes. So this is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery on a client with a class 5-6 hair loss pattern. Thank you.